Here we come to the elevator at the University Branch Library in Sugar Land, Texas, right by UH Sugar Land campus. This is a 2011 ThyssenKrupp Signa4. It's been nearly approximately a decade since I've seen this elevator, so this is definitely time. Definitely time for a retake. Lights have been brightened and the fan is on. This is an elevator I have not seen in nearly at least a decade. Here's Mr. Security. I remember riding this elevator first thing when it just opened in November of 2011, if I'm not mistaken. I have not seen this elevator in super long. And would you look at that? For the 2 button, the ring is gone. ThyssenKrupp Signa4. I also recorded this elevator as this is currently this elevator is actually one of my early videos from when I first started YouTube 14 years ago. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.